On Car Care with Dad, I'm here to save you some money. So it's time to change the windshield wipers. But is it a good time to change it now when summer is coming? Now I live in the desert. In the summer months, it's not uncommon to be in the 110-degree range, maybe even 115. With these extreme temperatures, windshield wipers don't really last too long here. So maybe I'll change the windshield wipers in the fall when it's a little bit cooler. So I'm going to offer you a few tips to help make these current old wipers last a little bit longer. You can spend $20 on brand new windshield wipers and install them now. And in a couple of months under the hot sun, it may not work so well again. So therefore, do you have this in the garage? A bottle of Rain-X will last you a couple of years. They cost about $3 to $5. And as far as applying them on the windshield, yes, there's microfiber towel, this and that, but why even spend the money? I'm sure you have an old sock around. They work just fine. And after you use it, throw them away. Very simple. Costs you nothing. Make sure you wipe it well so you can have a crystal clear vision out of your windshield. Rain-X will repel water as you drive. You'll notice the water droplets just roll off the windshield, even with bad windshield wipers. And if you got some WD-40 in the garage, here's a bonus tip. Clean the edge of the windshield wiper blades. Now you will be good. No need to buy windshield wipers right now.